Good morning, students. In previous class, already we discussed about friction and types of friction: static friction, rolling friction, okay, and sliding friction. Today we discuss about frictional force and static friction. Today I will explain, okay, an activity that is on frictional force and static friction. Okay, in this activity what are the materials required? What are the materials required? So first one is toy trolley. Okay, toy trolley and small wooden block. It is placed on the toy trolley. Okay, and inextensible string inextensible string, and weight hanger. This is weight hanger, and weights and one table. So what are the materials required? Toy trolley, small wooden block, okay, one table, weights, weight hanger, and string or inextensible string. Okay, string. Okay. Now, first of all, we discuss about frictional force and static friction. So first, okay, first take toy trolley. Now keep the block, wooden block on toy trolley. Okay. Now take a thread or string, okay, and add some weights, add 100 grams or 50 grams stone to weight hanger. Now toy trolley moves or motion, okay, in the direction of left, in the direction of the left. So here one force is applied by using weights. Clear? So the toy trolley moves the left side, okay, as well as the block also moves the left side. Okay. Now the surface of the toy, okay, the surface of the toy trolley and the surface of the table. Okay. So the comparison of the surface of the toy trolley and the surface of the, okay, table. So the table is at rest, but the toy trolley and wooden block, so both are in motion. So here, okay, the force between toy trolley and table is simply frictional force, because it is in rest, but toy trolley is in motion. So here one force is applied, that force is frictional force. Okay, but the surface of the block and the surface of the toy trolley, okay, here one force is applied, that is static friction. So what is the static friction? So one object is rest, but one object is motion. Actually the block is rest, which compared to surface of the toy trolley, but the block is in motion, which compared to the surface of the table. Okay, the block is in the motion, which compared to surface of the table, but the block is at rest, which compared to, okay, the surface of the toy trolley. Clear, all of you? So here the block is rest, okay, the toy trolley is moving. That means here static friction is developed. Okay, but the force between toy trolley and the table is frictional force.